सो गाइस देख लीजिए, ये वो स्टोरीज़ हैं जो एनिमेटेड हैं और इन पे भर भर के व्यूज़ आते हैं। आप भी ऐसी वीडियोस क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं और यूट्यूब पे अर्न करना चाहते हैं तो आइए। लेकिन ना आपको एनिमेशन आती है, ना स्टोरी राइटिंग आती है और ना ही सब टाइटल्स ऐड करने आते हैं। तो क्या हुआ, हमारे लिए स्मार्ट लोगों ने एआईज़ बना दिए हैं। हम एआईज़ को यूज़ करके अर्न भी कर सकते हैं और ज़्यादा मेहनत करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अर्न कर सकते हैं।
Once upon a time, in a cozy village, there lived a curious little kitten named Mia. Mia had a relentless curiosity that led her to explore every nook and cranny of the village. One day, she spotted a mysterious path that led into the deep, enchanting forest. Without a second thought,
step 1 है हमारे पास, we will use ChatGPT. We will go and write a short story model for kids in about 200 words. So ChatGPT is writing our story, and we also have a command, give his command to write prompt for the stories. You will write prompt to generate the image of the story. Okay, correct it and generate. ChatGPT gives us everything: prompt, title, stories. If you're lazy and you're not doing anything, just go to ChatGPT, command him, and he will give you everything. Now come on, second step, 11 lab, where we paste our ChatGPT story to generate the voice. Here ChatGPT, and we are generating our voice in 11 lab. Set the, now third step, go to Blue Willow and create the images of the prompt slash image, select imagine, paste your title, paste your prompt title, comma, gap, double minus, AR, gap 3:2, and then give command to Blue Willow. He will generate an image for your story. Now step 4, we will also create images in Leonardo AI, because in Blue Willow we are not getting the exact images, so I recommend you to use Leonardo AI and always read what is in this story. If there is a name of a cat like Maya, so he will give us a girl instead of a cat. So always read the story and command them right. Beautiful image generated. Now we will go to, this is a 5th Leapix. We will be browsing and selecting our image to make it more visual. Now go to back button, it converted into MP4. Check the settings, all the settings are given below. You can change or whatever you want to do. Now click on the share button and click on MP4. It was my first time I was clicking on save, and you will click create image. Yes, you have to just click on MP4 and it will save in your computer or mobile. will take time, but you have to go to all the images to do this, and one by one it will take time, but doesn't matter. Now step 6, compilation in CapCut. We will add the project, add these videos which we have created in LeaPix. We are selecting our pictures, select almost all the pictures, and start creating story. Add the audio from 11 lab which we generated in 11 lab. Add this audio, make the ratio of YouTube, set it according, and check the stories. You have to check all the images.
Once upon a time, in a
Now we
cozy
have to
village, there lived a
click
curious
on
little
audio
kitten
and
named...
check. Now we will add auto captions. We go to the auto captions and it is creating our auto captions.
Once upon a time, in a cozy...
Yes, our auto captions are ready. Now we are setting our auto captions. Just click on the caption and make it bigger and highlight whatever the range you want. Just go on this style and give him a style which suits your story, or
Upon a
which is
time, in a cozy village,
visible,
there lived a curious
more
little...
visible to your story.
named Mia. Mia had a relentless curiosity that led her to explore every nook and cranny of the village. One day, she spotted a mysterious path that led into the deep, enchanting forest. Without a second thought...
Yes, now it looked better. I created more and more pictures and more in the Leah pics.
Mia dashed into the forest, chasing butterflies
Set
and
it
admiring the
down.
colorful flowers. She soon realized she had lost...
Your story will look so amazing. You can earn a lot. People are earning a lot from these
and admiring the colorful flowers. She soon
storytelling
realized she had
or
lost her way and
story
began...
videos. When there is will, there is way. Always remember. Now we are setting our story. We are checking all the captions that if they are right. Okay guys, like and share, please subscribe. Thank you.